Okay, so let's say if you are moving forward, if you are going to continue with lessons, you need to be able to do the questions before class. Okay, so during class time, I will actually go through the questions. Because if you don't do it, it's the first time you are seeing it, we're going to have to waste a lot of time. So it won't be as productive. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so you also didn't print out the worksheet, right?
Yeah.
Do you have anything printed out? No? Okay, so I need you to go and take writing material now. Do you have a paper and some pen or pencil with you?
Uh,
You have?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to go through the questions, okay? You will need to write down the solutions on the book. All right, so I will see whether you will know how to do, and then we will figure it out from there. Can? Okay, have you learned addition for money in school?
Yes.
Okay, so you are familiar with how to add dollars and cents, yeah? Okay, good. Okay, so today's questions are largely on we're working with money. Okay, we're also going to draw models. The models are not difficult. All right. So actually the crux of today's lesson is actually to let the students familiarize with working with um money. Okay. So if you look at question number 1, all right, can you read the question on your own first? No need to read out loud, you just read quietly. Okay, so for a question like this, it's quite straightforward. Agree? Any idea how to do it? So if you were to see this in your test, how will you do this question? Question, how much money did she have at first? So how will you do this question? Do you want to draw a model or you don't want to draw a model?
Want to draw a model.
You want? Okay. So if we draw a model, what will you draw first? What is the first part of the model? It says that Jillian spent some money on a piglet, some money on a goose, and she had some money left. So what is the first part of the model that I will draw? Hmm? What's the first part?
Draw the pig.
Okay. So the pig, I draw like that. I'm going to label it. Can you also copy this down? On top of the piglet, I'm going to label how much. How much did she spend? How much did she spend on the piglet?
$22.20.
Okay, you draw this first. Okay, Junxun, what is the next thing that she bought? What's the next thing that she bought? Do you know how to pronounce it?
The goose.
Good. So I'm going to draw the goose into the model, right? Should I draw it like that? Or should I draw it here? A or B? This is A, this is B. Which way?
B.
Good. Very good. So this is not a comparison model. So I just need to draw one long model for everything. Okay. So the goose, I'm going to erase it because it's slightly longer than the piglet. And same thing, I'm going to put the amount of money she spent on. Okay, finally, she had a certain amount of money left. So what should I draw for the amount of money left? Should I extend the model? Because I want to find how much she have at first. So should I extend the model for the amount of money left? Yeah.
Yes.
Very good. So this long thing is the amount of money left. And this is $55.25. Okay, so how much did she have at first? My curly bracket will be all the way from the start, and it will extend all the way to the end. So my question mark is this. Agree? Okay, so how do I do it? How do I find the question mark? How do I find the total amount of money she has?
Plus
Plus what? Plus what?
$22.20 plus $23.55
Mm-hmm.
plus $55.25.
Very good. Okay, write this down. Okay, for the first question, I'm going to do addition with you. But second question onwards, you're going to do it on your own already, okay? So this one we will do together. So when we add money, it's exactly the same as when we are adding normal numbers. All we need to watch out for is the decimal point. Okay, remember to include the decimal point into the addition working. So I will find some space. I will write the three numbers out in a line like that. I can just add three numbers together. I'm sure you're able to do that. Please make sure you copy correctly. Okay, here we have the working. So do we start from the right hand side or the left hand side?
Right?
Good. So can you tell me what is the answer here?
0.
Good. But there's a 1, right?
Yeah.
I carry it over here. Okay, can you tell me what should I put here?
Also 0.
Yes, very good. 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 10. Okay, so now please remember your decimal place. This is the important part. Don't miss it out. Okay, what do I put in this column?
1.
I carry forward.
Yeah.
Okay, then what do I have here?
Zero.
Huh? 0. That's all? Is something missing?
Yeah.
What is
The,
missing?
the 1.
Yeah, so this is 10. Okay, so my answer is like that. Is there anything wrong?
Now put the dollar sign.
Yes, so must remember to put your dollar sign. Very good. So this is the total amount of money that she has at first. Easy, right? Okay, so next question, I want you to try. We will draw the model together, okay? Then you will do the working a bit more independently. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay. So take a while to look at this question. We have a white notebook. We have a gray notebook. She is now not left, she is short of 55 cents. So how much money does she have? So the model is going to look slightly different from this one, just slightly. Okay, so first and foremost, same thing. I'm going to draw the notebooks. Agree? I'm going to draw the model for the bar for the white. And I'm going to draw the bar for the gray. So she wants to spend this amount of money, but she doesn't have this amount of money. She's short of how much?
55 cents.
So how should I do it in the model? How should I show that she is short of 55 cents? Do you know how to draw on the screen? Have you tried before? Okay, you see your Zoom, right? There's you see the black bar on top of your Zoom?
On top.
Yeah. Do you see it?
No.
You don't see a black bar on top of your Zoom?
I
Then
said
got one
below.
annotate one. Below on top lah. Then you'll see an annotate. You see it? Sophia, you got to wait a while, okay? I'm already on the second question with Jun Chun, but I will go back to do your multiplication later. Okay, so Jun Chun, can you find the annotate function? It's a pencil marking.
No.
Can find? Cannot. Okay, can, never mind. Okay, so Jun Chun, how? How can you show that? Sophia, can you go to question 2? Do you manage to draw the model, Sophia, for question 2? Sorry, Mahadia. Do you draw the models? Do you draw models for this question, Mahadia?
No.
So how did you do it if you didn't draw model? Mommy help you, is it? Did mommy help you with the questions?
Some.
Okay, so for this question, I want you to draw the model. Draw what we have first. Okay, and I'm asking, Jun, can you, on your own model, you have drawn this, you have copied what I've drawn, right?
Yeah.
Can you try and show how she is short of 55 cents? On your own model, can you do it? Then you show me into the camera. Use your creativity and think. So this is the amount of money she wants to spend. But in real life, she has less than that. She has 55 cents less. So she has less than that. This is what she has. So how do I show the 55 cents? Mahadia, how do I show that she is 55 cents less of the total in the model?
Uh,
So the ring.
$2.
No, I'm asking you to show, Mahadia, I'm asking you to show it in the model. How can I show it? Jun, any idea? Okay, guys, look here.